Good day, friends, and welcome to Wisdom on Wednesdays. I'm sitting here in Naval in a rental car, a Polo, which I've rented. Nice little Polo that I'm using for the week. But renting this car made me think of Ephesians 1 verse 8 that says that God lavishes us with His grace, giving us His grace with all wisdom and understanding. You know, God doesn't rent His grace to us. He gives it to us. It's like me coming to the rental car station and they say, "Sir, here are the keys. We give you this vehicle." That's what God does. But then it says that He gives it with wisdom and understanding. You know what they will give with it? With the keys? An instruction manual. Wisdom and understanding of how to properly use this vehicle. If I give my children a car on their 18th birthday, I give them the keys. But I don't teach them how to drive. I don't help them to get a license. I don't teach them how to put diesel or petrol in the tank. I don't show them how to inflate the tires. I don't teach them anything about a vehicle, and I don't empower them. Then that vehicle will just sit there and mean nothing. It will just be a piece of metal. But because there's a user instruction, there's maintenance, there's license, there's teaching, there's wisdom and understanding that accompanies it, it means that my child will be able to use that vehicle properly, maintain that vehicle properly. It's the same with God. He doesn't just give us His grace. He gives us wisdom and understanding so that we know how to use His grace in our lives. And Father, I pray today that our friends that listen to this will be able to receive your grace with all wisdom and understanding in Jesus' name. Well, friends, God bless. See you next week on WOW.